Okay, guys, so the first ingredient is oil. All right, firstly, make sure that you turn your heat to a medium heat. We don't want our food burning, or we want it to be tasting very good, okay, because our in-laws are coming over and they have to give us points. So our fire will be on a medium heat. We'll add on chopped onions, chopped bell peppers, and then tomatoes. We're going to fry all of that for about 5 minutes together. Guys, I wish you guys were in my kitchen right now. The kind of smell, aroma that is coming from this food. Hey, look, what I just added is Greek yogurt. It's a thickener, all right? It serves as a thickener. It will thicken up the sauce. It will bring some kind of flavor. And look, you will be so happy that you added it, okay? So after we added the Greek yogurt, we're going to go ahead and add a cup of water and some more bell peppers, okay? We really want this dish to be rich. Problem in the finish. We could try to enjoy. Now, you all know that here on First Class Cook, I don't just give you guys any kind of ingredients. I give you guys first class, higher levels ingredients, okay? This is the kind of ingredients that they use to prepare food for Queen Elizabeth. If you don't know, go and ask about it. Anyway, we'll be using aniseed, thyme and pepper mixed with salt. And I say if you combine all these things together, you yourself, you come and tell me how much you love me, okay? Now, all you have to do is add your fish or any meat, put your fire on low heat and cook it for 10 minutes. Guys, this meal, you will be happy that you know the recipe. Thank you so much for watching here on First Class Cook.